Hello, and welcome to Healthy Habits, where things are seldom perfect, but I am still making progress. I am learning to replace old habits with new, healthier ones. I hope that you can find something useful or inspiring in the things that I share here, or at least leave with a smile. So I've been asked, how do I get rid of slugs? Well, here's my slug relocation program. I put out a board or cardboard, I lay it down overnight or for several days, and then in the morning, pick it up and take our little friends and relocate them to the compost. Now you see I have slugs and snails. So the snails are got a hard shell, and I'm just gonna plop them right down in there, and they will go right into the compost. You see there's already things in there for them to eat, be happy. And there he is, gonna start his new life. And now this guy, he didn't want to go, so I had to give him a little push himself. And then finally he's relocated to a nice green leaf that he can eat. I also have lots of toads in my yard. In fact, in every one of my raised beds, except for the new one I just made this year, there's at least one toad living in there. He's built himself a little home. Toad's favorite meal is slugs and snails. This fella here lives in the raspberry and blackberry patch. This is the home of my blueberry patch toad, and when he saw me coming, he hid and went deep. So if you don't want to put down boards or cardboard, you might want to get yourself some toads. What'd you find, Sass? What are you eating? Cannot be outdone. I know, here she comes. You gotta get attention too. I know it. Don't let the cuteness fool ya. They will catch those toads and eat them.